Mu byo kwerinda ahansharo ya Uganda na Rwanda bagenero b'amahega amahanga gombi bacwiremo kuvugaganaho hana ebitekateko okwa amahanga gakubasa kurinda ensharo zago. Lieutenant General Muhanga Kayanja yashobora ngo baturire bagezaho kureba okuba kubasa kutekaho bwerinzi ahansharo ezi.
The regular meetings that we shall be having after every 3 months to revise and improve on our security, on the security between our two borders, between our two countries along the border in Western Uganda, South and West.
General Vincent Nyakarundi or Army Chief of Staff wa Rwanda yashobora ngo ebi nibijaho bwanyuma y'aba president bombi wa Uganda na Rwanda kubahabura kwabaho intesagana okuretaho enkwatanisa hagati y'amahanga gombi.
The commanders meeting, they come from the last joint permanent commission that was held in Rwanda, which decided, recommended among other things, that this meeting of proximity commanders should be held to address issues of cross-border threats or activities. So that's, and then from the guidance of our Chief of Defense Forces and the exemplary, continued exemplary leadership of our two heads of state, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Uganda, and President Paul Kagame of Rwanda, who understand the strong historical bond existing between our two countries. And all we do is to cherish it as a command, to play our part in ensuring our communities on both sides live in harmony.
We need to address some challenges that we have been facing. You well know that we all have our enemies in the DRC, the ADF. There is also the FDLR and others who want to destabilize our two countries. So we hold these meetings to look at the challenges and how we can address them.
General Muhanga yahamya ko kwezi niza kuyamba ibyo kwerinda ko yongera kandi no kuretaho ubusinge amahanga gombi.
Improve in our relationship between the two brotherly countries, both in Rwanda and now here in Uganda, and they are going to continue like this. Rwanda, where we have been before, they have come here, we shall also go there every 3 months we have to.
Enyumaho mukuru w'entebe ya katano ava district ya Kabare Nelson Nshangabasheija akaye cetengo cyo kureba ngo ibyo kwerinda byayongerwamo amani ahansharo y'amahanga gombi bwanyuma y'ebyo kwerinda kugumana ibisisikara muri Kabare. Ndi Job Kato wa Sky TV ya Genshonga umurimbarara.
Job Kato aha wamakuru agondwa makuru habutatwinira mu